Um, so good day, everyone. Good day, sir. So today we will be presenting our 100% game development. So before we proceed on our final demonstration, we will have a brief background on our game. For our title, we will be having a jeepney dash, no? And we only have two members on our group. My name is Mark Allen Hortilano.
And I'm Perez Leo Angelo, and we are Group 4.
And for our player character, it's a jeepney inspired by Filipino vehicle. It is a essential tool for weaving through traffic and dodging obstacle while racing to collect as many coins as possible. So for our obstacle, we have four obstacle. We have the barrier, manhole, cone, and also a moving track. So this is an example of our collecting coin. And for our map, we have a level 1 map inspired with provincial road. Level 2 map, which is Luzon, and for the level 3 map, which is the night in Manila. So let's go to our game. So previously on our game, on our 80%, we discussed the start, settings, exit, and also the leaderboard. So um, and also we discussed that we have a database on our leaderboard. So we also discussed about the level 1, level 2, and our level 3. We also discussed the game over screen. And for our 100% development, to complete our game development, what we add is a music, and also a settings button. Mm. So let's try to run our game. So as you can see, as you can hear, you will hear the background music of our game, our starting game. And when we click settings, we will have a volume, and we can adjust uh, the volume of the game. And for our leaderboard, previously we discussed that uh, nandito po lahat ng mga players po na naglaro po sa ating game. No? And for our start, no, let's have a when we click start, no, di tayo naglagay ng name, mag-display po siya ng error na name required. So let's try po a sample. So as you can see on our level 1 map, ang mga in-adjust po namin dito ay unang-una po sa lahat is yung smoothness ng ating pong jeep, no? So para po mas madali po siyang makaiwas po sa mga obstacle natin. And also the spawn of our coin, we adjust it to at least 1.5. Mm. And for our game over screen, no, we also adjust the font of our buttons, of our panel, our label. No? And isa pa po sa dinagdag namin is also yung post menu po natin, no, during the game. So like for example, gusto niyo pong i-post muna yung game, no? So we have a button here. We have the resume, restart, settings, and also the main menu. Just simply click the escape button on your keyboard, and this button will appear on your screen. So ano ba yung mga meron tayo dito? So dito, when we click the resume, it will resume the game. When we click restart, it will restart the game. And when we click the settings, the volumes of the game, no, will adjust. So let's try pa natin. As you can see, kung maririnig nyo, no, lumakas po yung sound po ng ating pong game. Mm. So when we click the main menu, it will go back also to the main menu. Mhm. Start. So as you can see sa background music po natin, no, gumamit po tayo dito ng jeepney sound, no, na gagamitin po natin sa atin pong player character. So once po na nakarating po kayo sa finish line, you will be uh, you will be transferred into the level 2. Yan. So as you can see on our level 2, no, the game still continue and also the coin is still adding, no. So on our level 2 naman po, as you can see, medyo dark na po yung background natin, medyo mahirap na po siya. We also adjust the speed of the jeepney. Medyo binilisan po natin ng kaunti and also yung spawning po ng ating barrier, no? Medyo mahirap na rin po. Yan. So, and for our level 3, no? When we click the level 3, so it's a completely dark, no? And also a moving barrier na kung saan pwedeng ah, maging cause ng pagkamatay ng player. So once po na natapos po ng player itong level 3, no, the final score will be submitted, no? And it will automatically uh, save on our database and on our leaderboard. And I think that's all for our implementation of 100% of our game. No, if you have any concern or any suggestion, sir, uh, pwede po kayo mag-suggest or magsabi po sa amin. So that's all. Thank you.